Everything that I know, my Guru knew and the whole spiritual tradition knew is in the Dhyanalinga, in an energy form. I am just a consequence. Knowing is not an accumulation. Knowing is a possibility. Knowing is a perception. So Dhyanalinga is a repository, but not of accumulated knowledge, but of accumulated possibilities, treasured means of perception. Without finding access to different dimensions of perception, knowing is not a possibility. Knowledge is always possible. Knowledge only socially enhances you. Existentially, if you want to know life in an enhanced manner, you need to know. For that, you need to find access. Dhyanalinga is a phenomenal possibility in this direction.